You can get up to a $50,000 metal credit card like this one. It's tungsten actually. And up to $1,000 in account bonuses with SkyOne Credit Union, my partner for today's video. I found a way that you can actually stack another $300 in value on top of the $1,000 worth of account bonuses, bringing the total up to a new high of $1,300. That's enough money to pay your rent in most parts of the country. Plus, I already opened my account, and there's one thing that SkyOne does better than any other credit union that I've used so far that saved me at least 30 minutes to an hour, which helped me get approved in 2 days. And if you're like me, then you highly value your time. Listen, SkyOne Credit Union has been around since before Disneyland ever existed. It was founded over 70 years ago, and it's headquartered in Hawthorne, California. It's federally insured, and they have almost $1 billion in assets at about $885 million. Plus, they have just over 54,000 members. So let's talk about their Sky Extra promotion, where they give you 8 ways to earn up to $1,000 with that promotion. And don't forget about the $300 that I talked about earlier that you can earn on top of the $1,000. And that's through a workaround that I discovered, and I actually confirmed it with customer service. So with the Sky Extra promotion, you'll get a $100 primary savings bonus. All you have to do is open a savings account with at least $5 and then put in the promo code EXTRA in all caps. So you don't want to forget that code. And here's a huge benefit. They actually let you use a credit card to deposit your first amount of money. So I used a 2% cashback card to deposit $500 into my account. And the great part about that is that I'm earning cash back. So I'm earning rewards on that amount of money. And I can use that grace period of 30 to 50 days. So I still have that money in my checking account to use however I want to. So I get that nice cash flow benefit from that. Now, second criteria for meeting that $100 primary savings bonus is to maintain a $3,500 balance for 90 days. And you have to maintain that balance between the primary savings and the Advantage checking accounts. So I think this is the most straightforward way to start earning some of that $1,000 bonus, because you're able to just deposit at one time and leave it there. The only thing you have to worry about is actually having the money to use for this purpose, because a lot of people may not have $3,500 to put forward like that. Now, the next bonus is the $200 Sky High Savings Bonus. Here, you have to deposit $1,000 per month into a Sky High savings account for 90 days. Now, the great thing about the Sky High savings account is that you're earning 1% interest per year on that account. So with a traditional commercial bank, you're only going to be earning 0.01% on those savings accounts. So that's literally 100 times more interest with the Sky High savings account here. So if you do decide to move your money, not only will you be getting the sign-up bonuses, but you'll also be earning way more in interest. Next is the $100 online banking and mobile deposit bonus. Now here you have to make at least one mobile deposit into a SkyOne savings or Advantage checking of at least $500 per month for 60 days. Now with this bonus, you'd have to be getting physical checks to deposit. And for me, I get all of my income through electronic deposit. So I actually wouldn't be able to do this myself. But if you're a contractor or something and you do get those physical checks, then this is gonna be the one for you. Next is the $100 debit card bonus. You'll have to make at least 10 point of sale debit card purchases per month for 90 days. And each purchase needs to be a minimum of $25. Now, if you focus all your effort on using a debit card, then you can definitely get this done. I mean, just think about all the times you go to the grocery store, to a gas station, or maybe you're dining out. You can definitely get 10 purchases on that debit card per month. The only caveat is that it needs to be $25 per purchase. So if you're going inside for drinks or some snacks, then that's not going to really meet that threshold. So when you add it all up, we're really looking at 30 transactions total over that 90-day period. And when you do the math, we're looking at a 13% return on spend, which is fantastic. That's going to beat any rewards credit card out there. So using a debit card really pays off in this situation. Next is the $100 direct deposit bonus. Here you'll need to have monthly total direct deposits of $1,000 into an Advantage checking account for 6 months. You could really just switch over your direct deposit, or even just $1,000, so just a portion of your direct deposit from your current job, and it would get this done on autopilot. So this is going to be dead simple to accomplish. Next is the $100 SkyOne credit card bonus. You have to spend $1,000 on a SkyOne credit card within 30 days. Now you could accomplish this if you planned ahead. Just think about any sort of renovation at home or any sort of repair you need to do on your car. It could get the job done. And even if you just exclusively used a SkyOne credit card for the whole month in its entirety, you could also rack up over $1,000 in transactions. Listen, some months I rack up almost $1,000 just in food and dining out by itself. And when you do the calculations, you're getting a 10% return on spend, which is also great. Next is the $200 liquid share certificate bonus. Here you have to deposit a minimum of $10,000 into one of their CDs for 30 days. Now, a lot of you probably are not going to have 10K just to throw into this bonus, but if you do, it only takes a month to complete. And their share certificates go up to 5% in interest. Now, personally, I like to keep my money in a high yield savings account, so this is not the one that I would be pursuing, but this could be good if you're in a situation where you want to diversify where you're putting your money, because you always want to be putting your money into different financial institutions just for safety. And next is the $100 loan bonus. This is where you take out a loan from SkyOne and you set up automatic payments from your SkyOne savings or Advantage checking account within 60 days of closing the loan. And that includes a SkyOne personal loan, a motorcycle loan, a signature credit building loan, a HELOC for your home, or even a mortgage. Now, I would always advise to never use a product or take out a loan that you really don't need just for getting a bonus. But if you naturally could use this and you could get value from it, then go ahead and get the loan and take advantage of that bonus. There's really 4 bonuses that I think most people are going to be able to qualify for and get value from. That's going to be the $200 Sky High savings bonus or the $100 direct deposit bonus, and then the $100 online banking and mobile deposit bonus. I even think that $100 debit card bonus is going to be very accessible to most people. Everything else can be accomplished for sure, but it's going to be a little bit tougher for people with lower spending and lower savings. But that's easily over $400 that you could be earning just for a little effort up front. And I know a huge question is, which credit agency does SkyOne pull from? So SkyOne does not hard pull your credit to sign up for membership or open an account. They only hard pull your Experian FICO score when you're signing up for a credit product or a loan product. So there's really no reason not to apply here. So if you're someone who could use a few $100s extra in their pockets at minimum to help pay down debt or to help save for your next home, then click the link below and join SkyOne Credit Union today. And SkyOne Credit Union has a way to offer just about all the same features that they offer in their headquarters in Hawthorne, California, but they offer them to their members nationwide. They do that through a shared branch network of over 4,000 locations. I just checked and I have a branch just about 8 miles away from me, and I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina right now, way on the East Coast. And here's what you can do at a shared branch location. You can make account inquiries and deposits. You can withdraw funds. You can transfer money between accounts. You can make loan payments. You can even purchase cashier's checks and get a statement printout. You'll just need to say the name of your credit union, so SkyOne, and your ID and your account number. Just about the only things you won't be able to do is to open a new account there or invest in a new certificate or retirement account. And this brings me to what SkyOne does better than any other credit union that I've dealt with so far. It's their customer service, and particularly how proactive they are, even from the homepage of their website. Before I signed up, I was trying to find out everything I could about SkyOne because I want to know what I'm putting my money into. But just 5 minutes in to just kind of browsing the site, a live agent, a live rep with a picture and all, so I know exactly who I'm talking to, popped up on my screen. I was like, am I at a physical location right now? I'm like, this is a weird experience, but it's good. I'm used to those silly AI chatbots. Those bots are like using a bad search engine, but it's way better than that because you're actually talking to a real live human. Little did I know at that point that this service was going to come in real handy for a problem that came up a little later. See, I signed up for a membership and I was waiting to get approval, but I got a message saying that we were unable to verify your identity. And my stomach sank because I just wanted this problem to go away and I wanted to move forward and get approved. So I hopped back on the website, and then within seconds, I was able to connect with a live representative again, and they were able to tell me that I should just submit my social security card, and then they would work on their end on the back end and push it through. Now I'm fully approved, and it only took 2 days to get approved. And if you don't know about credit unions, they can take a little bit more time just because they have lower staff and they're smaller than these large commercial banks. So I was happy that I was able to get it done before the end of the week. So let me tell you how you can actually earn another $300 on top of the $1,000 bonus with the accounts with their SkyOne Platinum Elite Visa card. This card offers 0% on balance transfers if you do them within 30 days. And there's a 3% fee with that balance transfer, but it doesn't come with a flat fee like other commercial banks do. It earns 30,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. That's easy to remember, right? 333. And here's where that bonus kicks in, because I confirmed with customer service that you can earn that $300 bonus in addition to all the other bonuses that they're offering with this Sky Extra promotion. And I think 3 months is pretty generous of a time frame to actually get that bonus accomplished. So as far as rewards go, you can earn 3x points on 2 categories and another 2x points on 2 categories. And for the bonus categories, you're going to have a hard cap of $7,500 per quarter. There is a $65 annual fee, so you got to remember that. And I think the really big highlight feature of this car is that the credit limit is advertised of going up to $50,000. That's extremely high. Most traditional cards are going to max you out at $25,000 to $30,000. Even most premium travel cards are going to max out at $30,000 and they don't even advertise it. So this far exceeds that. And remember, just like earlier I stated, they hard pull from your Experian FICO report. When you combine every bonus that SkyOne is offering, including the account bonuses and the Platinum Elite Visa card, then you're looking at $1,300 in potential bonuses. That's insane. Definitely check them out in the link below to learn more about this deal while it's still around. And to see one of my favorite videos that I released this year, click on this video. Thank you for watching.